Hello everyone. Today I'm thrilled to share with you a unique opportunity to build wealth, not just by recruiting people, but through the power of artificial intelligence in cryptocurrency trading. This isn't your typical network marketing setup. TSAI has created a groundbreaking system where AI robots are consistently trading GPT robots to generate income. And here's the best part. You don't have to rely on recruitment to make money. With TSAI, you can start generating wealth immediately, purely through the investments from these AI investment trades. Check out my other videos to follow my TSAI journey. But for those who are open to sharing this journey with others, there's even more ways to accelerate your financial growth. Let's dive in. Now let's look at the power of AI trading bots. Now, one of the most attractive aspects of TSAI is that it's designed for people who may not want to recruit. The AI robots that TSAI provides are trading in real time, taking advantage of the cryptocurrency market's volatility to generate consistent returns. Imagine that these bots are working 24/7, analyzing market trades, predicting shifts, and making trades all on their own. So let's say you invest in TSAI's AI opportunity. Your investment allows you to tap into these trading bots' expertise, generating returns on a regular basis without ever needing to bring on a single recruit. Your wealth grows as the bots continue to work on your behalf, capitalizing on the crypto market's volatility while you go about your daily life. Here's a real-life example about someone who's generating a passive income with these AI bots. Let me paint a picture. Suppose you put an initial investment into the TSAI platform, allowing the TSAI robots to start trading for you. Over the first month, the bots make strategic trades, capturing profits as the cryptocurrency market moves up and down. By the next day, you're seeing real returns. You didn't have to spend hours studying market trends, and you didn't need any expertise in cryptocurrency trading. The AI handled it all. Now, think about that. Over 6 months or a year, your investment compounds as these AI bots continue to make trades, continuing to make an income stream without requiring your constant attention. This is the power of technology working for you, and it is a perfect example of how wealth can be created without having to even recruit a single person. But you can build wealth faster if you want to recruit. Well, if you're looking to build wealth faster, there's a way to do that too. TSAI offers the opportunity to bring others along on this journey, allowing you to earn not only from your own investments, but also from the activities of those who you invite to join. Imagine inviting a few people who also see the potential of this AI crypto trading. They join, start earning returns, and you start earning a percentage of their involvement, creating a network that grows your network at a much faster rate. When you build a community, you're not only sharing this incredible opportunity, but you're accelerating your own path to financial freedom. It's like building a financial ecosystem where everyone benefits, each person contributing to the growth of the network. Here's a little about the TSAI compensation structure and how you are rewarded for engagement. TSAI's compensation plan is crafted to reward both individual investors and those who want to build a team. You get to earn not only from the AI trading, but also from the investments made by those who you introduce to TSAI. And this isn't limited to direct recruits, but as your network expands, so does the potential of your income scales with your level of involvement. It's a system that benefits everyone. If you want to take a hands-off approach, You can still profit from your own investments, but if you're open to sharing this opportunity with others, your returns can multiply significantly, allowing you to build wealth faster. Let me give you a quick story. There's a woman named Sarah who joined TSAI not too long ago. She started by investing in the AI trading program, and within a few months, she was earning returns enough to cover her monthly bills. She didn't initially focus on recruiting, but once her friends saw the returns she was getting, they wanted in too. They joined, and her income grew even faster as she grew from both her own investment and now theirs. Today, Sarah has built a network of like-minded individuals who are all benefiting from this technology. She has created a passive income stream without managing all these investments because the AI does all of that for her. So here's the opportunity. TSAI provides a unique path to financial freedom, leveraging AI technology to trade cryptocurrencies and generate income for you, even if you don't want to recruit, even if you don't know anything about crypto. It's about putting your money to work in a system with consistent returns. Invite others, it will accelerate your wealth. I'd like to invite you on this path to financial freedom. If you're here to grow your wealth quietly or involve a team to create wealth faster, let's work together to turn your financial dreams into reality. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize that all investments carry risks, including those in cryptocurrencies. This video is not financial advice, and I encourage you to do your own research or consult a financial advisor before making any financial investment decisions. Your success depends on multiple factors, and while TSAI offers a robust platform that offers daily profits, individual results may vary. Now, if you're ready to take that first step towards financial freedom, I've got something extra for you. Use my invitation link below to sign up, and you will receive a $5 sign-up bonus to get you started on this journey. This is an incredible opportunity to grow with TSAI, so don't wait. Click the link, claim your bonus, and let's build something extraordinary together. I can't wait to see you on the inside. When you're ready to start, click the link below. Let's take this journey together. I'm recording my TSAI journey every step of the way, so be sure you hit that subscribe so you don't miss a thing.